Hi, my name is Manuel.
I'm Jason, and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make yogurt at home. It's brought to you by our chemistry class, 6th period, and today is the 8th.
Okay, well, first safety warning is the fire. You don't want to wear any long sleeve or have anything close to the fire, or you might get burnt.
And then second is to, while you're boiling the milk, be careful, getting too close or the milk boiling and popping on you. Just be careful and keep your distance. Alright, so what we're going to need is a half gallon of milk, a measuring cup, some live culture, a thermometer, a big spoon, and a pot to mix.
Alright, now what you first do is pour the milk.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Manuel.
And then you turn this thing on.
There? Yeah, I can.
Alright, now that the milk has been going for a while, what we need to do now is just wait for it to get to boiling temperature, but we need to stir it around so that the milk doesn't burn. And then after that, we need to let it settle and then drop down to 135 to 140 degrees. And then after that, we'll pour in some of that culture that we have, and we'll come back to you once that is over.
Alright, while it's boiling in the pot, or waiting for it to boil, you have to keep stirring it so it doesn't burn on the bottom of the pot. So once we get it to boiling temperature, we then wait to have it come down to about 135, 140 degrees to then put the culture in.
Alright, so now what we did is that we put warm water into the tub, and basically what it's going to do is incubate the yogurt, and it's going to make the bacteria all come together basically and reproduce and make yogurt. And then we're going to put it in the refrigerator after 6 to 7 hours of it being in the incubator, and leave it in there from 12 to 14 hours depending on how sweet we want it. And we will be back soon as we do that.
Alright, and then so once we get it, cool it down to about 135, 140, we put the culture in, and we have to mix it thoroughly before we put it into the incubator.
Alright, now what we're going to do is pour it into a container. And after we pour it into a container, we're going to put it into the incubator to my left, as you see.
Alright, so now that we have it in the container, we're going to put it into the incubator for about 7 to 8 hours.
So it's been in the incubator now for about 7 hours, and I put it in the refrigerator for 6 hours now, and it needs still 6 more hours, but as you can see, it's already starting to form that yogurty, I guess, texture. And now we're going to go put it back, and we will see how it does tomorrow in the morning.